Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I purchased off eBay this Kofi oil burner ignition transformer. The only reason I bought it was because it was £9 used, and it says here it's capable of 11 kilovolts, which is pretty good. I'm going to be using this to build a Tesla coil. Well, I say I'm going to be using it, that's if it works first, we've got to see. So let's put a switch here, get a tie wrap, a couple of tie wraps, and we'll fasten these together. This is a 240 volt transformer, so it will be running at 50 to 60 hertz. It's not a high frequency power source like, I don't know, the flyback transformer would be. But I think it might just do the job of powering my small Tesla coil. Let's just link these earths together. I would never, if something's got an earth on it, I would never run without it, because you're bypassing your RCD in the house and on the extension cable that you're probably using. Oh, I need to undo that a bit. So I'm hoping that this is going to power a Tesla coil, as I said a second ago. Let's put a couple of these on here. Where's my washers? There they are. So all I've got for this is some pump pliers, but hopefully they'll do the job. This is only temporary, just for testing. I wouldn't advise anybody to do it this way either, because well, I'd advise somebody to do it with a switch like I'm going to do, so that I can turn it on and off. But I would advise you to use proper insulated spade ends, and keep it all insulated. I'm not doing that because I just want to test it quickly before I commit too much time in designing a capacitor bank for it and winding a Tesla coil for it. If I did all that first, then and this didn't work when it arrived, then I'd have been stuck. So I'm also going to use the water pump pliers to hold these wires down here so that I can test, see if it arcs. So we'll plug it in. Right, so I think that's on. Turn that off. Not that. That. What have I done here? I know what I've done. Silly me. Take that one off there. And just give it a try. I don't fancy getting 11 kilovolts down the arms, so oh yeah, it's working. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just bring it a little bit closer. Maybe if the terminals were a bit cleaner, we'd get a bit of a better arc, but yeah, that's working. So £9. So yeah, it's working. I'll bring the phone down now so you can get a closer look at the label. It's a Kofi Treviso from Italy, but I got it from Ireland, a lady in Ireland. As you can see, it's 240 volts, 50 hertz, 2 times 4 kilovolts, 20 milliamps, 11 kilovolt. I think that means amplified, or I don't know what that means. So it's 2 times 4, so that's 8 kilovolts. I think that's 11 kilovolts max, probably. So yeah, we can move on now with this project. We can start designing a coil, secondary coil, primary coil and MMC around it. So let's just see how we go. Thank you for watching again, and please like and subscribe if you want to follow this build. Thank you.